Hello everyone. I hope everybody is fine. Everybody is having a great time. So today we are going to work on your fitness abilities. Okay. In this batch we are going to I'm going to help you improve your reflexes. Okay, your reaction time. Today we will try to improve everyone's concentration, stability. Okay. So to improve all these things, there are certain drills. Okay, there are certain drills which we can do, and it's all these drills are fun drills, total fun drills. Okay, so we'll just start, and I hope you all enjoy today's batch. So before we start, I would like to tell you guys, for today's batch we are going to need a partner, okay, who is going to help us in doing all these drills. So with me today I have my sister Ira Kulkani. She is going to help me doing all the drills. Okay, so equipments needed for today's batch is we need tennis balls. Okay, max 3 tennis balls. Okay, then we need a racket. Okay, a tennis racket. If you don't have a tennis racket, you can also use the mosquito racket, okay, which you have at home. Okay, then we need a cricket bat. Okay, we need a cricket bat, and that's all. Okay, so these are the equipments today we don't need a mat today. Okay, those who want to keep a water bottle with them, they can. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so we'll start with a quick ball drill. Okay, a quick ball drill. So what I'm going to do, so what I'm going to do, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to throw balls. Okay, one to the right, one to the left. Okay, one, it will, the ball will also go behind her, one will be in the front. So I'm going to keep going to keep throwing in variations, and she has to catch the ball and throw it back to me. Okay, and she has to be quick. Okay, the one who is doing has to be quick. Okay, bend. Okay, a little bit bend, and be active on your toes. Just come in front a little. Okay, so I have 3 balls with me, and we'll start. ठीक है, चला चला. You have to be quick. You have to be quick. दूसरा ball दे. You have to be quick. चलो 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 चलो. इसको बोल. चलो, quick, quick, quick. You have to be quick. Okay, you have to be quick. Catch it. चला चला. Last time. Okay, last time. चलो, push. You have to, come on, you have to target all the catches. चलो चलो. Okay, okay, so this was a quick ball drill. Okay, I hope you understood it. So the partner who is going to catch, okay, he has to be quick. It's very important, he has to be quick. Okay, he has to be constantly on his toes, on his knees bend. Okay, in a slight squat position, so that he can reach in both the directions. Okay, so now first we are going to work on your reflexes. Okay, we'll start with the reflexes. Reflexes are very important. Okay, quick reflexes. If you're an athlete, if you're playing any type of sport, reflexes are very important. Okay, so we'll work on your reflexes now. Okay, so for that we only need a one ball. Okay, or one ball. Okay, so what we are going to do now, bend. Okay, just watch her position. Okay, shoulder distance. Okay, shoulder distance, you're going to take shoulder distance. Whoever is doing is going to take shoulder distance, and he or she is going to go down in squat position. Okay, it's not a 90-degree squat, it's a half squat like this. Okay, only till here, but back must be straight. Okay, and the drill is, I'm going to keep my hand here, I'm going to keep my hand here. Okay, she is going to keep both her hands, okay, here, and I'm going to throw the ball, and she has to catch the ball before it falls on the ground. Okay, from this drill we can see your reflexes, and if your reflexes are not good, it will help to improve. Okay, we're going to do 20 throws. Okay, we're going to do 20 of these. Sure. Okay, it's one. Yeah. Okay, this is the way you have to catch it. Okay, it's very important. Look, if she's not doing but she's looking at the ball, it's very important that I take the ball anywhere, she has to look towards the ball. Okay. Okay. Okay, 3. No, this is cheating. Okay, what she did, she came into the position before I would throw the ball. Okay, you don't have to do it. Okay, that's normal. Okay, no problem. 5. Okay, good catch. Bend. Yeah, it was an easy. Okay, I can trick anything. Okay, concentration and focus is the key in this drill. Okay. Okay, no worries. Just try it. You're not trying it. Yeah. Okay, it's very important. If you focus, if you concentrate on the ball, you're gonna catch it. Okay. Okay, it was a good try. Okay, last 2 guys. Okay, last 2. Good catch. Now last one. Oh, well tried. No worries. Okay, so this was the drill. This was the first drill for reflexes. Now we are going to do the second drill for reflexes. Okay, this one is a bit easier. Okay, and more fun. Okay, from the previous one. All right, let's do it. Now, what is she going to do? She's going to turn around. Okay, she's going to turn around, and she will be in a half squat position. Okay, half squat. Okay, yeah, and she will be constantly be active on her toes. Okay, keep moving. Okay, like this. Okay, and what I am going to do, I'm going to say now, and when I say now, I'm going to throw the ball and she's going to catch the ball. I will just show you one. Perfect. Now, Okay, I am going to throw the ball before she turn around. Okay, she has to coordinate and then she has to catch the ball. Okay, if her reflexes are good, if her timing is good, okay, then she's gonna definitely gonna catch it. Okay, so whoever is going to throw, his work is he is going to say now, and he's going to throw at one time. Okay, and he's going to do all these things before she turns around. Okay, that's very important. All right, again, 15 throws of these. Okay, 15 throws. Now the part the whoever is throwing can throw anywhere. Okay, मागे थोड़ी मागे. Yeah. Now, okay, you can trick your partner the way you want. Now, this one was easy. Now, that's a good catch. Did you saw the way she coordinated? Okay, the way her hands went to the ground. Okay, this is concentration, this is focus, and also stability through core. Now, good catch. Constantly keep looking at the ball. Now, oh, okay. So on the body, this one was on the body. Okay, you have to in cricket, it's a catch also comes directly on your body. Okay, so for that also we need reflexes. Okay, come on. Now, that's a good catch. That's a wonderful catch. Now, good catch. Again, a good catch. Okay, she's taking ground catches wonderfully. Now, okay, no worries. Last two catches. Give your best. Give your best. Now, this one was simple. Last one. Now, and that's a good catch. Okay, so these were the reflexes drill. Okay, these were the drills for reflexes, and by this we have done with the reflexes. Now we are going to do the stability. Okay, we are going to do the stability. So for that, an individual person can do it. We don't need a partner for this. We need a partner in the second drill. Okay, in the second drill. Okay, so first drill is, you're going to hold the racket. As I said, just grab a tennis racket if you have, or those who don't have the tennis racket can also use the mosquito racket. Okay, but this drill is basically, and this drill is made for the tennis players. Okay, so what we are going to do, this is forehand. Okay, this is forehand in tennis. Okay, and this is backhand in tennis. Okay, this is backhand, and when we serve like this. Okay, like this. So we are going to work these three shots, okay, only by using our core. Not only core, but stability through core. Okay, so just watch me. The first one is, I'm going to keep my one leg lifted up, okay, in 90 degree, and from my left leg I'm going to bend a little, okay, and in this position I'm going to keep hitting the forehands. Okay, it's very important that your core is tight in this. Okay, and that's what we call the stability through core. Okay, look, I'm not at all moving. My position is, look, I can move anywhere. Okay, so this is stability through core. Okay, so first exercise is this, then same we are going to do with backhand. Okay, same we are going to do with backhand, and the third one is we're going to do it with the serves. Okay, just I would like to tell you opposite hand and opposite leg. Okay, so if you are righty, you're going to lift the left leg. If you're lefty, you're going to lift the right leg. Alright, let's do it. We're going to do 15 swings of each. So chalo. So we'll start with the forehand. Okay, we'll start with the forehand. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, now backhand. Okay, now backhand. Chalo. Bend. It's very important that you bend from the leg, whichever leg is on the ground. Okay, so chalo. 1, 2, 3. My upper body is forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright. Now serves. Okay, serves. We're going to keep our left hand or the opposite hand up, and we are going to do the serves. Okay, only serves like this. Okay, we are going to complete the flow. Okay, 10 swings. Okay, 10 serves, not more than that. Chalo. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, and we are done. Okay, now we'll do the second exercise. You can just keep aside the racket, and now we need a bat. Okay, we need a cricket bat. Okay, we need a cricket bat and a ball. It can be any ball. Okay, if the cricketers have to do it with a leather ball, there's no problem. But the beginners who haven't played with a leather ball, please do it with a rubber ball or tennis ball. Alright, now what you have to do, I'm going to take a stance, okay, and as we did with the racket, I'm going to lift my one leg up, and in this position I'm going to hit the ball. Okay, she's going to throw the ball, and I'm going to hit the ball by lifting my one leg up. Variations correct. Okay, she is going to vary. Okay, one time she is going to bounce. She can bowl bouncer or full toss. Okay, she is going to throw variations. Okay, all right. Okay, you have to constantly keep your leg lifted up till you finish the exercise. Okay. Stability through core, guys. Okay, she can vary. She can also bowl a bouncer, and you have to play the shot as you want, but it's very important that you lift your opposite leg and you bend in front. Okay, stability through core. Okay, she can also bowl fast. Okay, she can also bowl fast, and it's very important. This is the challenge. Okay, so what I did right now, she bowled me fast. I was in the stability core position, but I moved my upper body fast. Okay, my fast. Okay, so that's also very important. Okay, so balancing. To balance well, you need to tighten your core. Okay, which helps you to balance. All right, last four. Okay, last three now. Chalo. Oh, this was a good variation. Slow ball. Okay, now we are done. All right, guys. With this, we are done with the batch. Okay, it was a short batch. We were just going to do a little bit of drills. Okay, I had tried it for the first time. I will talk to you guys, but before that, she will say you guys goodbye. Okay, and I hope she will see you guys again for the next batch. All right, so that was it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed. I I worked on fitness abilities for the first time. So guys, please do comment. Okay, in the comment section that did you like the batch, or if something was missing, I can try to improve myself in those areas. And but please do comment. That's very important for me. And coming back to my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Please do share my videos with more and more people, with your close ones and relatives too. And we will enjoy this fitness journey together. So I will see you in the next week. I will post my schedule on this Sunday. Okay, so that you get an idea for the next week. Till then, have a great time. Stay safe. Bye bye. Thank you.